Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most intriguing aspects of design. Today, get ready to be mesmerized as we dive into the world of hexagonal honeycomb lights. Hexagonal honeycomb lights, an enigmatic fusion of art and science, have captivated the design world. Let's unravel the secrets behind their allure. The hexagonal shape is the epitome of elegance. Its symmetrical allure not only pleases the eye but also evokes a sense of harmony in any space. As we delve deeper, we discover how nature's wisdom plays a crucial role in the creation of these luminous wonders. Inspired by honeybee hives, hexagonal honeycomb lights mirror the efficiency and strength found in nature's design. Beyond their aesthetics, these lights are remarkably efficient. Their hexagonal pattern optimizes light distribution, creating a captivating play of shadows and illuminating every corner with grace. But that's not all. Prepare to be amazed by the versatility of hexagonal honeycomb lights. With endless possibilities for arrangement, they empower designers to craft unique lighting experiences. These lights transcend functionality and aesthetics, they evoke emotions. The warm, inviting glow brings comfort, while the intricate patterns spark wonder and curiosity. In conclusion, hexagonal honeycomb lights are a mesmerizing blend of ingenuity, nature's inspiration, and artistic flair. We hope you found this exploration as captivating as we did. If you're as amazed by the magic of hexagonal honeycomb lights as we are, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design wonders and creative inspirations.